back with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. I am headed back into Dollar Tree to see what I can make with my Cricut Maker. So with the budget of $5, that's right, I said $5, I am going inside to find some items. Unlike things like bins and mugs and stuff, I'm looking for different stuff to personalize with my Cricut Maker. So join me with my budget of $5 inside of Dollar Tree. Let's go. Okay, so I came across the first item that I would like to try, and it's these little mats. I've never seen these here in the Dollar Tree. They are very thin, so but I think that it would be cute, maybe for a mud room or something like that. So I'm going to try one. And then we have these wallets here. If you remember in a previous video, I did a sample on the pink one. So I think I'm going to try maybe the red one to see how it comes out with the HTV. Maybe I'll get a black one too, just in case I mess up. And then right next to the wallets, I came across these spray bottles. And they have the silver. I really like this color. I think I'm going to get the silver one though. So far I have a couple that would be good to start out with, but I'm going to keep on looking. And I'd like to try it on an umbrella. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, but I am more than willing to try it out. We'll just probably have to adjust the press to a low temperature setting. But I'm willing to try it. Probably should get more than one just in case I burn. Yep. And so I think it will also be a good idea to also try to apply personalization to cards. And so they are 50 cents at the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. And since I'm invited to all of these weddings, I guess I'll grab a couple for weddings and put the couple's name on them. Okay, so I am back in my studio, and yes, I went over budget, but not by much. I spent $10 instead of $5. Okay, so let me show you some of the items that I got. All right, so let's start with this 3-pack of small gift bags. And so what I'm going to be doing is I did a little gift item, like a little thank you gift to the bride and groom for inviting my husband and I to their wedding. And so this is just a refrigerator magnet. And so I'm just going to be pretty much putting it in this gift bag. However, I'm going to personalize this gift bag with my Cricut Maker. And so I thought that that would be really cute. And I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with this. They were so cute. They had a whole bunch of little teddy bears, and I just thought maybe I could personalize it. But I don't know. This is really small. But I'm going to do something with it. And then this bottle. Now in the baby section, they have, in the baby shower section that is, they have these bottles. They come in pink and they come in blue, and they are actual banks. And so that would be very cute to personalize. This candle, now I actually did this candle in the wedding basket. If you want to see the wedding snack basket from the Dollar Tree, it's in there. And someone had asked me to do a tutorial, so I'm going to do a tutorial on that. And then the umbrella. Now, I know the umbrella is risky, but I'm going to try it. I know that there is a tutorial out there that we did embroidery on, but I want to try it with the HTV. The only thing that could happen is that it burns and it gets a hole in it, and it's $1 that's down the drain. Also, this wallet. I did a tutorial on this wallet where I embroidered my name on the wallet, and it worked out well. Okay, so I'm going to try it with the HTV and my Cricut Maker and see what happens. And then we have this wedding card. Okay, and so I'm just going to personalize it by putting the name on the wedding card using my Cricut Maker and HTV. And then we have this dual port charger, this card charger. I thought it would be really cute, especially as a stocking stuffer, to personalize it either with monogramming or with the a name very small. And I know that the Cricut Maker can do the small lettering because they have done small lettering for my t-shirts. And so I'm going to try that. And then we got the Holy Bible. You can't go wrong here. And it has this faux leather cover. So I thought that would be really cute. This also would make a wonderful stocking stuffer. This comes in black. It comes in white. And this would make an awesome stocking stuffer around Christmas time, Easter time, for christenings, that kind of thing, communions, that kind of thing. So we're going to do that. Now, I tried to embroider a Holy Bible in one of my other videos, and it failed. It failed. So we're going to make a success story out of this using my Cricut Maker in HTV. And then I have this spray bottle. They had some nice colors, and I chose the silver. Okay, and so I'm just going to apply some HTV to this as well. And last but not least, so I came across the mats. The mats at the Dollar Tree, and then as I was looking around, I saw these, and these were actually a better quality, thicker. All right, the other ones was very thin, and it has some kind of a coating on the back of it. And so I'm going to see if I can do something with this. I got to tell you, even just the mat alone for $1, you cannot beat this. You cannot beat this. This is very decent quality, and it would make a wonderful gift for a housewarming. And so there you have it, some of the items that I am going to be doing something with using my Cricut Maker and HTV. So I hope you all join me in this mini series as you did when I did it for embroidery. And I am super excited. I am super excited about just trying new things and expanding my business, especially with my Cricut Maker and the sublimation printer. I'm just very excited about that. So join in as I upload, you know, more videos to come on how it turned out using my Cricut Maker and HTV. And that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please post below. I am always open for suggestions, okay? And I will be traveling around to other different stores, looking around now because my eyes are wide open. I am looking for everything to personalize, whether it's embroidery, whether it's HTV. I am looking for everything to personalize at this point. And so I will be traveling to other stores. So I hope you come back and join me on those times too. You can also come visit me on Facebook at KandiaHaynesworth.com or the group Embroidery Boss. I also have a new group that I just recently started paying a little bit of attention to. And it's called Dollar Tree Dollar Makers. No, it's not. It's called Dollar Tree Money Makers. And I'll post the link below if you all want to join that and see the things that I'll be posting. These things that I have here are what I'm going to be posting there, and then things to come. And so I'm going to try to do some giveaways there too, because I'm going to be having inventory that I don't really need, so I don't mind giving it away. So join that on Facebook. Once again, I'll post the link below, and you can also join me on Instagram at Kandia Haynesworth. And until then, I will see you next time.